Hi friends, how do you build a paragraph? A paragraph is the real unit of a piece of text, right? Sentences are too short to really tell you much about the overall story, but a paragraph should clearly relate to what your story is. You've been told that the first sentence of a paragraph is a topic sentence that announces what the paragraph is about. Make sure that that first sentence gives you the main message of the paragraph. Two reasons to do this. First is if people are skimming your text, they're very likely to read the first sentence of a paragraph. If your main message is there, they will get the important information you're trying to convey. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that essentially you're announcing what the main idea of the paragraph is, and the rest of the paragraph flows naturally from that by filling up the blanks. So you're adding details, you're adding examples. Bye for now.